Hey folks, after a really pleasant weekend across the valley, the warm temperatures have come back and they're going to be with us this week. We do have a front on Wednesday, not particularly cool, but it brings at least a chance for some rain and some clouds. These are the currents. 89 right now in Weslaco, 85 Port Isabel, Brownsville at 87, everybody else 90 plus. Overnight tonight, we all bottom out in the 70s again, except the island where the low will be about 81. And then tomorrow, we're right back up where we were before the front, 95, 97 across the area, a very warm day. The average for this time of year is 87. We'll be above that tomorrow, but close to normal on Wednesday, and then a little bit cooler than average by the time we get to Thursday. Our next front is going to bring some clouds and maybe a few showers, and that will keep temperatures down just a little bit. Tomorrow, I think another partly to mostly sunny day, but high-resolution future track going into Wednesday shows that front moving in mid-morning, and behind it, clouds linger and spotty showers stick around for parts of the day on Wednesday. It's not a rainy day, but there'll be a few showers around, and probably one or two locations will pick up some pretty good rain. Other places get very little. But if you look at the chance of rain, it goes from not much tomorrow to 40% on Wednesday. Then a better chance on Thursday, especially in the lower valley. Thursday is going to be a day divided, a valley divided, because of the rain in the lower valley and probably drier in the upper valley, courtesy of the front and then a tropical system going into our south. These are currents across Texas. We'll get to that in a moment. 88 in Austin, 89 San Antonio, but only 71 in Dallas. There's been a lot of clouds, a lot of rain up in North Texas today, and that's all going to stay up there. The old front has turned around, moved back to the north now, pushing out of the state as a warm front. But if we watch for tomorrow, here comes our next cool front. It pushes into Texas tomorrow, pushes into the valley early Wednesday, but there's also a tropical system way down to the south that's going to move toward Mexico, and then some of that moisture will feed up and over the front on Thursday. But notice it's all right along the coast. Once you get back into Starr County, it's sunny. So you can see a real transition from the western part of the valley to the eastern part of the valley. And Thursday may be a day where it's raining on and off much of the day at the coast. And Starr County has nothing but sunshine all day long. So it's going to be an interesting day across the area. Of course, it'll be warmer where the sun's out, a little bit cooler along the coast. The front does turn around and move back to the north eventually. Then we're watching for another one probably about Monday of next week. That looks a little stronger, but the timing of it's still a little bit up in the air. We'll get a better idea as we get closer to it. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, partly cloudy with some patchy fog later on. Your low tonight around 75 degrees, winds out of the south-southeast, not much more than about 5 to 10. Then tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. It's a mainly dry day. Your high temperature tomorrow should be right around 95 with winds out of the south-southeast at about 5 to 10. So another very warm day across the area. But then we kind of see some changes. Take a look. Tomorrow's 95. Wednesday, the front comes in the morning, triggers scattered storms, not an all-out rainy day, but scattered stuff around. And then Thursday is a day where we're split, where the coast will probably see rain. The western part of the valley may well be dry. And then most of us are dry by the time we get to Friday. And when that happens, temperatures start going back up. Long-range models do push another front in on Monday. It looks like it could be a relatively strong front, but that's still a week away. We'll get a better idea of it as we get a little bit closer to it. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.